the most amount of money you've made in one day?
$42,000.
60,000.
Over $100,000.
$200K.
$250,000.
Over 6 figures in one day.
400K.
How are you able to scale that?
Affiliate marketing, baby.
We never give up. To fight is a must.
Welcome to Affiliate World Asia, ladies and gentlemen.
We bring in the pain. The fire is lit. You can't put it out. You cannot contain. Sound the alarm. It's not a drill. Everybody be warned. We burning it down and build it back up. It's time to reform. We're ready and willing to do.
Being an affiliate was a big deal for me because it's a leading event. No matter where it is in the road, you have to kind of continue to come, or you kind of get behind. I don't want to get behind.
Our time to rise.
We love Affiliate World. The energy is always super high. Everyone is just here ready to make money, make good connections, and take their business to the next level.
We ready for war. We on the front line. We fight for the pride. We coming with swords. We fight to the death. Even then resurrect. The blood of a soldier, the heart of a lion beat out of our chest. We've been in the jungle, fought on our life. We ready for battle.
The connections that you make are literally priceless. My business has tripled every year. Coming to Affiliate World conferences are the catalysts that made that happen.
In the rain, we came from the ashes, just like a phoenix flies the plane. We ready for more, they blowing the horn, we ready for war. We on the front line, we fight for the pride, we coming with swords.
I'm always so blown away at the level of talent and like ideas that I get out of this place. If I had never come here, my life would be 100% different.
Fought on our life, we ready for battle. We never give